Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create additional document libraries in SharePoint. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in SharePoint, just click on the following options, and from there, you're good to go. Now, creating additional document libraries in SharePoint can significantly enhance document management and collaboration within an organization. Because I believe, for one, document libraries can help in organizing files based on different projects, department teams, or categories. Now, if you plan on creating separate libraries, it ensures that documents are logically grouped, making it easier for users to find relevant information quickly. For you to be able to add document libraries here, just go to the site or page that you are currently working on. In my case, I just hover here. You see the documents. When you click on the when you hover the mouse, you see there's going to be a notif like create a new folder or document in this location. That means you can, of course, add additional document library, right? It's a very easy process. Now, after that, you see when you switch on the all documents here, you can have a list, compact list, tiles, all documents. You can create new view, save view, and edit current view. After that, you can also hover to this side where it says new, and you see there's a document library here. All I'm gonna do is click on that. What will happen is you'll be forwarded to create a new document library. Is it gonna be a blank library or from an existing library? We will deal with it in a separate video, but for now, we were going to click on the blank library. Now, we also have a templates here for Microsoft, from media library, invoices, learning. The thing is, we're not gonna dive deep into each one of them. We have a separate videos for that. But in my case, we're just going to give it like a media library. But of course, for now, let's click on the add library here, and maybe let's write a description. And click on create. Okay, so now you can add another library that you wanted, document library. Just click on this one. And of course, from there, different document libraries can be used to manage documents at the various stages of their life cycle, such as drafts, final versions, archive documents, and a lot more. Now, it helps improve workflow efficiency and ensures that users are working with the most current information. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.